Hello student, welcome to the second module of Dick Whittington and his cat. In the first module, we discussed the warming up activities of this chapter, and here we will start with the explanation of the story. So students, open your textbook, page number 6. I am going to read the first paragraph, and also we'll discuss the meaning of some difficult words. So take a notebook and a pencil to write the meaning. Student, can you see the title on the textbook? What is it? Yes, Dick Whittington and his cat. So now listen me carefully. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. One day, Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the street, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. So student, in the first paragraph, we come to know about a poor boy. His name is Dick Whittington. And where does he live? Yes, he lived in a small village which is situated in the south of England. Since he was very poor and his parents had also died, so the people of village treated him unkindly. Unkindly means unsympathetically. In other words, people don't treat him well. I hope you are understanding. Then one day he overheard. Overheard means listen from someone or somewhere that the streets of London are paved with, which means covered with or filled with gold. On thought of being equally treated, he decided to go there to pick up his fortune in gold pieces. So, continuing the story, young Dick set out to walk to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. "I have no home," Dick answered. "I am on my way to London to find my fortune." "I am also going to London myself," said Carter. "Jump up here beside me and we'll journey together." They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. So the young boy, Dick Whittington, set out to London. Set out means to get ready. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped by him and asked, "Student, do you know the meaning of cart?" Cart means a wagon or a carriage. And he asked if he was running away from his home. But Dick said that he had no home. He is going to London to make his fortune or luck. On this, the man answered that he is also going to London. The man seemed very helpful, so he asked Dick to come along with him in the cart and they can go together to London. By evening, or you can say before nightfall, they reached London. However, the man in the cart was helpful, but as they arrived in London, he left Dick on the street, and the man in the cart made his way to an inn. Inn means he went to a hotel, and the poor child Dick stood alone there. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Where was all that fine gold? All he could see were dirty streets and lots of unfriendly people. He had nowhere to sleep, and in the end, he spent the night in the corner of an alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. Come to the explanation. Student, as I told, this boy, Dick Whittington, reached London. Now he started to think that I am in London, but where is the gold? There is nothing like gold in the street. He could see only the dirty, or you can say dusty streets, and people here were also very unfriendly. He was without money, so he couldn't go to hotel and have food. He was so tired that he slept hungry in an alley. Alley means a small passage between or behind the building. Student, hope you are understanding well. Student, this is what for today's lecture. Read the story loudly and write down all the keywords in your notebook and try to make meaningful sentences from these words. Till then, keep learning, rise and shine.